Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on FLOKI. On a daily time frame chart, FLOKI has recently broken out this down channel, and after that it also broke out this symmetrical triangle as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very long term down channel. And you can see that from this low to here, FLOKI has rallied more than 6,422%. And during this rally, the price line has been breaking out different patterns. Like first it broke out this symmetrical triangle, then broke out another falling wedge pattern. And this was another symmetrical triangle that the price line formed here. And we broke it out as well. And after breaking out this wedge and this symmetrical triangle, we also broke out this very long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.00005780 and goes to $0.00008200. And now recently after this breakout, the price line has also broken out this down channel and this symmetrical triangle as well. At the same time, FLOKI is moving inside this very massive and very big and huge broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And you can see whenever it is getting bounced from the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs, and this time it is again bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern and moving towards the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very massive and strong support of EMA 21 that was previously breaking as a long-term resistance, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. We have tested the support here, and now after testing the support, the price line is again geared up. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared 5 days ago with my members, and so far this move has produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for FLOKI that I shared 5 days ago with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that FLOKI formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see I shared this idea on 20th of May 2024. And this was the complete trade signal. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and this was almost at 30% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, we caught almost 190% very massive pump, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that FLOKI formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this trade signal on 5th of March 2024. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price started a very massive reversal. We had this spike to the downside, but could not break down this potential reversal zone. It covered back very soon. Then we had almost 190% very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of FLOKI, and this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that for the past several days it was moving inside this channel. We broke it out, then we broke out another symmetrical triangle as well. Here we have the down trend line support and an up trend line resistance here. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from the symmetrical triangle, then target can be here at this long-term resistance of $0.00035,000. And that is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. And if you are trading this breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss below this support, this uptrend line support of the triangle. Now, if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, that is slightly lower than this target of the triangle that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 3100. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very long-term resistance of the down channel. And now the price line is about to hit the resistance of this down, the target for this down channel that is here at the top of the channel at 350. But in my opinion, after this breakout from this down channel that is happened on the daily time frame chart and from the symmetrical triangle, there is a very high probability that we may also break out this long-term resistance of 350 that was previously working as a resistance here. And now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of FLOKI. By the way, we also have a quite long-term up this EMA 21 support as well. That was previously working as support here, and before that it had been working as a quite long-term resistance as well. And now if the price line will form another higher than previous high, in fact, it has formed another higher than previous high. You can see that whenever it is getting bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it is forming higher highs, and this time it has formed another higher than previous high, but did not hit the resistance of this very big broadening rising wedge pattern. And if the price then reaches the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, and then this time it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $0.002. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.